In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a template in Pro Tools. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is set up your session. And when you've set it up and you actually want to save your current session as a template, you want to go to File, top left, and you want to click on Save as Template. Now, when you click on that, it's going to allow you to actually make the template in Pro Tools. You have two options. You could install template in your system, and you can select your category over here, as well as the name of it, or you could go and select location for template, okay? Now, you can also click on include media if you want to include all the media or not, of course, if you don't want to. I'm just going to select the location over here, but if you click on install, you can just select the name of it and category, hit OK, and that's all you have to do. But if you select location, click on OK now, and it's going to ask you where you actually want to put this, okay? So I'll just leave this in here. I'm going to click on save, and there we go. It's going to save it wherever you want. So that's essentially how to make a template. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.